Now that we have our hands warmed up, let's make sure that we do the same for our feet. Starting with the bass drum, let's try two different kinds of techniques. Heel down and heel up. First, heel down, we'll play 8 beats. Ready, go. Notice that I don't leave my bass drum beater on the head of the drum like this. That muffles all the sound and it adds a lot of tension into your leg. So we want to be able to let it come back just a little bit. All right, now let's try with our heel up. So this time, we're going to imagine we're a marionette. We pull up our leg and just let it fall. All right, let's do that 8 times. Ready, go. There are great drummers who use both of these techniques, and you might want to be able to use them for different styles of music. So practice both. All right, now for the hi-hat, let's first try a rocking motion that goes heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Keep going. Awesome. Now we could also do the same thing where we think about ourselves as a puppet again, lift up our knee, and drop that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's really nice for if you're playing, like, say, a backbeat, and you want to just emphasize what your snare drum is doing. Just like we did with our sticks, you can think about prep strokes coming from both your bass drum beater and from your legs themselves. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just like that. That's another advanced thing that you'll want to do to make sure that your bass drum stays right in time. Combine those techniques with your sticks and you'll be sounding like a rock star.